In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll again, this time to click on Vibration and Haptics. Now tap on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to turn them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can click on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. If the switcher is blue, that means that your option is enabled. If it's gray, that means that it's turned off. When you're ready, go back, scroll all the way down and click on those two switches next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to operate those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!